Now, there's a problem with our shirt. Our shirt's cool, it's great, but it's not interesting enough, which the answer to that is stickers. This is a nice, cheap alternative. You can get stickers at convenience stores, at thrift stores, pretty much almost, well, a whole lot of different types of stores around St. Patty's Day every single year. So these are a nice, cheap, economic way to spice up our shirt, to make it a little more interesting than just having a uniform green. No matter how bright and colorful the uniform green is, it starts looking a little drab without having something else going on it. So stickers are a great way to add additional flair to the top of your crazy leprechaun costume. What's more, it really helps to have somebody help you with the stickers, because otherwise you're kind of like, well, I could put the stickers on, and it's a little more difficult to put them on by yourself because it's very easy to start clustering them. You'll put them all up towards your neck or down over your belly or something like that. Somebody who's able to stand in front of you now, they're a couple feet away from you, and they're able to kind of see where what's going on with your shirt, and kind of able to space it and make sure that it looks really, really cool. Because this wants to be sprinkled, just like leprechaun magic dust, all over your person, on your shirt.